Hi everybody, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my stamp studio. So I have some things to film, but I had boxes that I hadn't opened, and I opened this one and I was like, oh, I forgot that I had some pre-order stuff. So I want to put it away, but before I put it away, I thought I would show it to you real quick, because once it gets put away, then I'd have to get it all back out. And you know how that is. Once you put something away, it's kind of put away, right? So these are things that if you are a demonstrator, you can order them now in June. They will be available for customers in early July. I don't know the exact date. I know it won't be the 1st because Stampin' Up! Never has things on the 1st, but it'll be early July. It won't be the 4th because that's a holiday in the U.S. My guess would be around the 6th. But it's a whole batch of new online exclusives. I did not get a lot of the stuff because I knew I would be too busy to use it right now. But what I did get, well, I'll just show you what I got, and then I'll tell you a little bit about it as we go. So this is a standalone folder. It's a sunflower 3D embossing folder. It's one of the large ones. I love these new large sizes. As somebody who cuts a lot for my online card club and my online classes, I love that we can put a full piece of paper in here and run them all through. We can get 2 or 3 pieces of paper, and then we cut them in half. So we have at minimum four card fronts, perhaps 6 when we can get 3 pieces of paper, and it just makes life so much faster. But for you, if you're doing one full sheet or if you're doing a scrapbook page, it makes a huge photo mount piece. But look at how pretty those sunflowers are. That on a piece of metallic is going to be beautiful. So that's just a standalone item. There is a really fun, there's a bunch of Halloween products that will be coming in this catalog. There's some Christmas stuff that I think I ordered on another order. I don't even remember. I have to go back and see what I got because, yeah, I don't remember. So this is a suite. This is a suite of products. I don't know what it's called. The bundle's called Charming Day, so I imagine the suite has that name in it somewhere. If this doesn't have any ordering issues, like if pieces of it haven't gone on back order, I could still make it work with other pieces, but it's beautiful. Then it may be our August card club. So here are the stamps. As soon as I saw them, I love this font. But I would just like to sit and color them. Because when I get really busy and you have so much to do and you get a little bit overwhelmed and you see something like that, you're like, yeah, I just want to color. But I'm not going to. And then here are the dies. It does remind me of, I wish my daughter was here because it was one of her favorite sweets that we had before. It has that same feel of one that we've had in the past. So there are the dies. So if it's all available, it will be August card club. At least that is my plan at the moment. Here are the embellishments. They are called Charming Shimmer Faceted Dots. Here is the ribbon, and this is really pretty. It's petal pink braided trim. You can see, super pretty. I love the colors in this suite. And then I haven't pulled this out yet, so we'll do it together. I should have brought one of my paper things over. So I think it's white based, but it looks like it will go well with vanilla. Oh, look at that. That's a gorgeous piece of paper. Yes, I could do a lot with card club with this one. Look at the color combinations on that. This is very pretty. That one's pretty too. Is that the last one? When I do it like this, it's hard to know if I've gone through all of them. So that is Charming Day. It's probably not the actual name of the suite, but that's that. So if you're in card club, that's potentially August. If you're a demonstrator or if you'd like to sign up to be, then this is part of the reason I have 2 suites is because it was buy one get one half off. So then this is the one that when I was in Orlando on the Disney trip with Stampin' Up, they did a demo. It was super cool with this one, and I love it because it's a little bit different because it's called Perfectly Pears. You would think that maybe I'd remember the name of the suite, but I don't. That's been a month ago that we were there. So, and here are the dies. So this is our card club for July. Look at this ribbon. This ribbon is gorgeous. It is called Mossy Meadow and Gold Trim. So it is Mossy Meadow, and then it has all that gold in it. It's beautiful. So my card club I'll do a card with this not super soon because I haven't even got June card club out in the mail yet. But once June is out, and here are the embellishments. Again, they have that, they're low profile sparkle dots. But once I get that up, you can go watch this month's one that's posted to learn about my card club if you want to get in on it for when we do that. Then at least two. Painterly Pears, I think that's the name of the suite. I probably could have looked at the paper on the other one. That might have been the name. But this one, I also loved the color combination. It's very vintage. So here's the Pears. And I love this one. It's like Secret Sea and Lemon Lime Twist. I like when they put colors together that I might not have thought about putting together. And then this one is one where the dies will cut out some of the images. Look at that. I like bold wallpaper. We don't have any in the house currently because, you know, it's gone out of fashion for a while, but I could, sometimes we've talked about moving for a while. I would like an old house, and I could definitely do a dining room in that wallpaper. That is just gorgeous. And then there's that one. I like it because it's a little bit different. And even within this paper, you can see the difference between the bold and stark and very vintage. And then this just kind of looks summer fresh. So there's that one. So that's really all of the unboxing I have to show you because that's all I got. Because there was the Halloween suite, and I might have gotten it, but it was buy one get one half off the day I did the order. So all I did was get the 2 suites in the folder because the folder wasn't in a suite. And you know, when there's a sale like that, you know, we're women, and so if I'm not going to save money, then I just stop. If it had just been a typical order, I probably would have just ordered it all. I know I feel like maybe I ordered Christmas stuff and it may be on its way, or maybe I didn't. I have to go back and look. The good thing on pre-order is sometimes you have to remember, or else how many of us have more than one Stampin' Up! Thing in our studio because we have inadvertently ordered something twice. On pre-order, it won't let us because if I would try to order this again, it says something like orderable quantity already reached or something like that. So I don't have to think about it. It tells me. So I'm going to get this up for you to look at, and then I'm going to do a couple of tutorials. I got my VIP video done today. I've got beautiful gallery videos going for that free class. I got my thank you video. So if you're wondering where some of my videos are, when Stampin' Up! Changed the way that it did the thank you gifts, and I also changed the way that I rewarded customers. And so some of it is with free content. So on the weeks that my free content goes out to customers who have purchased from me, there will be less public content because I don't have time to do both. So this week, my customers are getting a lot of the content, and it's just not out there for the world to see, but it will be coming back, and this will be up soon. So have a great one. Bye.